So, students, today we'll learn about this lesson, tooth troubles.
Tooth Troubles by Arundhati Venkatesh. Kiran was grinning widely.
Kiran was grinning widely. Grinning means smiling very widely.
He was missing a tooth. There was a black hole where the tooth had been. That's when it struck Pushkin.
So he was grinning, he was smiling because there was a black hole where his tooth had been. That means his tooth has fallen down.
A gap!
That's when it struck Pushkin. So Pushkin was thinking, Jatin's tooth had fallen long ago. A gap?
Jatin's tooth had fallen long ago. Then Sachin and Nitin lost a tooth each. And now Kiran.
So earlier, Sachin and Nitin also lost a tooth each. And now Kiran.
So they all had gaps.
So they all had gaps in between their teeth.
Only he didn't. Pushkin suddenly felt all alone.
So he's the only person till now his tooth didn't fall. So suddenly he felt all alone. Why everybody is having tooth fall, whereas why I am not having this?
You can be a member of the Gap Club once you're
So all the kids who had gaps in their teeth, they formed a gap club. So he was saying you can also join our club only as soon as your tooth falls. At least one of your tooth falls.
tooth falls.
Nitin mumbled. Mumbled means say something so that in a different way or quietly that it is very difficult for others to hear, or said something in a very unclear voice.
Nitin mumbled. Yes, you'll have to wait till then, Kiran said.
So all of them are mocking at him, saying that you, in order to join in our gap club, you need to have at least 1 to 4. But you cannot join our club. You have to wait till then.
Pushkin wondered if he could make his tooth fall quickly.
So Pushkin was wondering. He was thinking, how can I make my tooth fall really quickly so that I can join their gap club?
He remembered what his grandmother had said. Thata would not eat the murukku and chikki she made because he was scared he would lose the few teeth he had.
So he was remembering his grandmother saying that Tata. Tata means in Tamil it is grandfather. So he never used to eat. His grandfather never used to eat that murku and chikki she used to make because Tata used to have very a few teeth left. So if he eats that strong ones, that murku and chikki, he is afraid that the remaining tooth will fall down.
Pushkin could ask Pati to make murukku and chikki for him.
So one idea is got that maybe he can ask his party. Party means in Tamil it's grandmother. He can ask his grandmother to make that murku and chikki, and when he eats that, he's thinking that his tooth will fall.
Even as Pushkin was thinking, Kiran announced, Gap Club members, assemble at the playground. Sachin woke up with a jolt. Why?
So suddenly Kiran enters and announced that Gap Club members assemble at the playground. Suddenly, Sachin is a person who always sleeps. So suddenly he woke up with a jolt. That is, woke up with a shock and shocks or surprise. Jolt is shock or surprise. Why, he asked.
Jatin has challenged the fourth standards to a football match. What? Said Pushkin. They're good. We'll show them. They'll go home with their tails between their legs.
Then Kiran says that the fourth standards, Jatin has challenged the fourth standards to a football match. So what said Pushkin? they are good. No, Kiran says that we'll show them that we are better off than them. And then they'll go home with their tails between their legs.
Legs. Kiran was confident. Do the fourth standards have tails? Jatin scratched.
So he didn't understand why does the fourth standards have tails? Then Jatin scratched his head. Then it's just an expression. That means they will be ashamed. If they once lose the match, they will be ashamed.
His head. It's an expression. It means they'll be ashamed, Nitin said. But we need a real football to practice. If we had a football, we would beat them easily. How?
Then Jatin says that we should have football. We need to practice football. Otherwise, how will we beat them? If we practice very well, then definitely we can win over them.
Will we get one? Jatin scratched his head harder. Why did you challenge them when you know we don't even have football?
Then Sachin asked, first of all, Kiran, why did you throw a challenge on them? You do know that we don't even have football to practice.
Sachin asked. They said we're babies. I told them we'd see who's a crybaby.
Kiran was saying that they were saying to us that we are babies, we are small kids. I told them that we would see who will be a crybaby. That means after playing the football match, whoever wins, they will be happy, and whoever loses the match, they will be a crybaby. So we will decide who will become the crybaby.
Jatin scratched some more. All we need is a football. Pushkin has a brainwave.
So Pushkin suddenly has a brainwave. Brainwave means a sudden good idea. Suddenly he gets a very nice idea.
If you let me join the Gap Club now, I'll ask the Tooth Fairy for a football when my tooth falls.
Then he says that if you let me join the Gap Club right now, then I will ask the Tooth Fairy to give me a football when my tooth falls.
He said. All eyes were now on Pushkin, or his teeth to be precise. All except Sachin's. He had gone back to sleep.
All the friends were looking at the Pushkin's teeth, and Sachin has gone back to sleep. They were waiting for the Pushkin's teeth to fall so that he can ask the Tooth Fairy to give him the football so that they can win over with the fourth standards.
We need to get Pushkin's tooth to fall.
So now they decided to make the Pushkin's tooth to fall. How?
Kiran said. But how? Idea! Boxing! Jatin pumped his fists in the air. I'll just knock your tooth off. I've broken many teeth.
Jatin says that I will give you a punch. I have broken many teeth. I'll give you a boxing punch to you.
Jatin assured him. Pushkin took 2 steps back to be safe. Sachin, who was away again,
then Pushkin was totally scared. Then he went behind. Sachin, again, who got up from the sleep, he said,
spoke. When my tooth kept shaking but didn't fall, the dentist tied a thread around it and pulled.
Then he says that when his tooth was about to fall, but it was not falling, then what did the dentist do? He tied a thread around the tooth and he pulled it.
Out it came. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Before Pushkin could protest, Jatin pulled out a piece of thread that was dangling from his trousers and lassoed it.
So Jatin took out a long thread which was dangling through his trousers, and then he lassoed it. Lassoed means to catch something with a lasso. Lasso is a long rope, one end of which is tied into a loop kind of thing. The loop end is used to catch hold of something.
It around Pushkin's front tooth.
So this is how he tied the there is a loop here. That loop will be put into his teeth, put around the teeth, and you can pull the teeth with the help of this rope.
Kiran stepped forward. Here, all of you hold. At the count of three, pull. Sachin and Nitin took position. Kiran called out, 1, 2, 3. The four boys heaved and tugged the
So they put full pressure to pull out his tooth.
thread. 2 seconds later, the thread fell to pieces. The boys landed in a heap on the floor.
So what happened then when they were trying to pull his teeth, the thread broke and all the students, all the kids, they fall on each other on the floor as a in the form of a heap.
Pushkin fell on top of them.
And finally, Pushkin fell on everybody.
Moo! The sound came from deep below. Had Jatin turned into a cow?
So somebody was saying, "Mm." So they were thinking that maybe Jatin was all under the, he was under down and everybody was on him. So maybe they thought that Jatin has become a cow because he was making sounds of a cow.
Move! It was Jatin's muffled voice. Pushkin finally managed to scramble to his feet. The boys stood up one by one. I know what the problem is, Jatin said angrily. Your teeth are so strong, they just won't fall.
Jatin got so angry that now I understood what is actually the problem. Your teeth are extremely strong. That is the reason they just won't fall like others.
How's that possible? Kiran was thinking aloud. Even prehistoric creatures that roamed the earth lost their teeth, like dinosaurs. Their teeth have been found as fossils.
Yeah, he says that even dinosaurs, which lived long ago in prehistoric period, even they had teeth, and their teeth have been found as fossils. Fossils means the imprints or impressions that are left behind on the rocks after the decay of an animal's body. That means that how do we know that dinosaurs exist? We came to know that these creatures exist thousands and thousands of years ago through these fossils. See, whatever they, whenever they walk or something like that, we can see the footprints or impressions on the rocks. That is how we found out.
Some people were born with teeth. Napoleon was.
Yeah, and he also said that Napoleon, he was a king and he was born with teeth. See, when we were born, we usually don't have teeth, but he's the only person who had teeth with, who were born with teeth.
But I haven't read of anyone whose teeth never fell.
So then he was saying that he never ever heard that of any person whose teeth never fell.
Jatin butted in. Maybe Pushkin is an alien. His teeth will never fall. Then he scratched his head and added, We could hammer it out. Pushkin turned tail
And he said that we will take out his tooth with a hammer. Pushkin turned tail and ran around. Ran. Turn tail means turn around and ran away.